Here's the clapper. What's this?
Right, let's go.
Mercy I
Wait.
pilot. Ons moet nou Mercy I pilot take 1 scene 1 act 1 1.
In die strate van die Wes, man sal ek die 5 straat getuig. Mense druk jou af, nou moet sy die nommer bewys. Hardloop in 'n rigting net om getalle te wys. Kan in die hand met 'n mes in my sy. Lyks is raak bende om die honger te ly. Government kry ons onderwafers die dwelms gekry. Brasse in tik, kan nie sonder dit bly. Gemeenskap word beroof, wat weg en verby. Ons kan nie verstaan, kleerlik, hou maar verby.
Mav, I'm ready when you is, my brother.
Goeie dag sê. Die eerste episode op Mercy I met 'n goeie vriend. Ek is Maverick Moses en 'n vriend van my gaan vir hom nou bekendstel.
Yeah, because ons is broers, vriende. My name is Etienne. I'm a husband, father, a brown entrepreneur, and I'm trying to impact the world positively through conversation, trueversation, creation, and connection. And I'm so grateful that I met this man and that we have the opportunity to do something that we both see can make a difference, and even through a vehicle like a fundraiser that most people just dismiss, we can use to try to really change the lives of people like our own, because we can feel the pain of Sediman. I mean, you know what it feels like to not have a meal. And with this fundraiser, it's not just about giving and donating, it's about connecting and seeing why your donation matters. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to be at a phenomenal space with a lot of merchandisers and flea market people that have their own little stalls that are trying to make this way with their little trade, or even with some of the amazing products they've got. But they're also some of the first people in our accelerator, because we both know you can't just feed somebody, we need to give them an ability to feed themselves. So collecting funds to feed people in the winter time, but it's deeper than that.
And Dave Chappelle said that maybe people aren't sick, maybe the environment is just a little toxic.
Exactly.
And the thing with this is, like, you must remember a lot of this stems from the, let's say, the fallout of the Group Areas Act, and the fact that an entire group of people were just uprooted and marginalized and then left in literally what you'll see is boxes. One way in, box, one way out.
En soos ek en Etienne weet, het ek en Etienne gesê al vir maande al. Ons het gevra soos en wat ons kan doen vir ons mense, sodat ons mense kan saam met gemaklik kan lewe en kan saamlewe in die samelewing vir wat die system vir ons het. So ek en die man het dus besluit, okay, right, ons sit daar so. Hey. Nou moet jy weet ook jong, nou kom die wolkies in die gedagte op. Ek sê jou maar as ek ons besluit dat right, ons gaan kanse gooi. En moenie ons verkeerd gestaan nie, ons het verloor ook, maar ons sê vir die Moustay baie dankie dat ons kan verloor ook, en deurdat ons verloor, dat ons kan verbietig. En ons sê baie dankie vir die Moustay ook vir ons wenne van ons wenne is meer as wat ons verloor. En jo, ek hier op die oorige, maar ek het niks, ek het die gejaal, ek het die dit, maar wat ek wel het, ek het my hande, ek kan so baie dinge doen, ek verbaas sommige keer myself, en die man hierso, my brother verbaas myself, met die wilskrag wat die Moustay binne ons geplaas het. So, ek sê maar net dankie vir die Moustay, wat die Moustay vir my geguide het, tot op die man se pad. Dat ons kan die lig binne mekaar sien. Lord, yo.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's more than just that. It's like, it's not just it was when our paths, the crossing of our paths brought the fact that we both see where there is lack. We both rely on not just what we have, because we don't really have much, but to share it. And we both count on, outside of Man, the Most High. And when that happened, we were able to then put that into action. So even with growing it didn't just start with growing ganja. What was the first thing we said we need to do? Is we need to put seeds in and plant food. We knew that we couldn't just go and feed people we wanted to, but we had access to, like I say, we can work. We have capable hands, and because people that we are guided to can share their spaces and the things they have because they see what we're trying to do. So we got to grow food and we got to grow ganja, not for like, yeah, let's grow food and ganja, but so that we can, that thing that the man and I even saw when we were brought together is that to feed somebody, this has to happen. Now we can be that action behind it. We can put the food kitchen together. We can put the team behind the people that can be there to directly feed somebody every day a nutritious, healthy, balanced, vegan meal that would cost somebody a lot less than what you would be paying for a very expensive and fancy coffee. And I think that sometimes we all know this, but when we come together or when we get sent together, it's that action. And that's how we got to the fundraiser, because when we took action in planting the veg and the ganja and stuff, it was, yo, my lord. It was almost like the opportunity showed us, now you can actually do what you want to do. Because then we got to meet people like the guys at Canterbury, who then said, use this space, leverage the network and the people we have, so we can then showcase like the talent and the craftsmanship that's there, and allow others to then see, oh, this is how I can directly help the community. Like, how many people even would know who one person is in a town in the middle of nowhere in the Western Cape? So how much more value comes there from that relationships? Just like how you and I, again, not just saying it, but have showed it. I've gotten nothing but value in the loss. Like that I say, the loss has actually been a disguised gain, because there's never been failure. It's only been a learning, and we've been able to do it together. And now on this chapter, it's brought us to all other opportunities, even like the Mano. I mean, where else can we be taken if the Most High, if the Most High guide us and we aren't just obedient? We're now with this. We can only go more places.
Why some things they cannot even explain. Until today, they cannot fully explain the moon. They cannot fully explain. They can explain partly the tree, but they cannot explain fully the tree. So magnificent is creation, you understand? And even with all the difference of all the species, trees, animals, birds, fishes, the ecosystem, the stars, the moon, the sun, and the human being, we are all connected within all these things, because not without one of them we're gonna perish. Truly. You understand what I'm saying, So it's heavy how we were created, my Lord. So the same for the man. The man is the earth, fully the earth, The man have water, fire, sand, air, you have everything, my Lord. Verstaan nie, man? The man is created mostly out of water, the same like the earth. You understand? So the man is a heavy creation. Even you are a creator, because you create something. You create man.
En vandag nee, se teachings, het word ook verkeerd oorgegee aan ons mense. So ons mense is nie fisies besig met hulle hande nie fisies. Ons dink baie oor goeders, maar as dit kom by action, as dit my fyn. Etienne, die ganja wat ons gegooi het, ek gaan na mense toe, sê ek vir hulle, ek en Etienne het hier gegooi. Ek kyk hulle nou die weed, okay. As hulle amper soos, het julle die gegooi. Die lyk nie soos homegrown nie. As sit is my sê klaar in die gedagte, okay, maak nou voorbeeld. Ek gooi nou appels, nee. Ek maak 'n voorbeeld appel na Etienne toe. Etienne se denke is nie so nie, ek weet dit, maar vandag se kinders van ons hier buite dink 'n appel kom by Pick n Pay uit my.
True.
Verstaan nie, man. En daai moet ons begin verander in ons dan. Hoe wonderlik sal dit wees as ons eintlik kan uitvind dat ons kan eintlik vir ons self voed. Ons kan so baie dinge vir ons eintlik self doen. Al wat ons moet doen, as ons nie kan by sekere dinge uitkom nie, soos byvoorbeeld 'n groot stuk grond miskien beweeg nie, Ons kan unite. Kyk vir my nie man eie.
Truly.
Ons het unite. Ek kon nie herb en groente gooi op my eie nie, my lord.
Truly, neither
Dit
could
sou
I.
nie werk nie. Verstaan nie, majesty, maar ons het behande gevat en daai wat ons in ons kop gehad het begin een bekom. Ons het ons verskille ook eie. Ons het verskille die man wie. Ons het verskille, majesty.
Yeah.
But een ding wat ons in common het is die moustheid. Verstaan nie man, ons en ek is ook truly dankbaar vir die man vir die eerlikheid wat die man teenoor my het en most of all vir die liefde wat die man ook wys. Verstaan nie honorable van ons mense man. Nee. Ons sien klaar waar aanstel die youths vandag. Waar aanstel hulle belang aan gangsterisme. Goed wat die eintlik saak maak nie om die samelewing te uplift nie. Maar mense so Evelyn nou hy ma is klomp goedjies nog. Mense kom ons vat nie mekaar se hande vandag. En ophou sê ek is jammer. Maar sy het nog nooit gehelp nie. Sy kan nie sê sy is jammer as sy nog nooit gehelp het nie.
Ja, nou,
So ons moet mekaar se hande vat honorable in. Soos ek en die man mekaar se hande gevat het. Verbeel vir die man het ons het nie mekaar se hande gevat nie, maar soos die ei. Dat was dit nie moontlik nie.
No, I agree. And I think that's what's the important message here is you can do something by yourself, but it is much more impactful when you do it together. It is so important to think more than just I can't do this. I can't do this. Because if you haven't tried it, how are you going to know whether you can or not? Whether you haven't grown an apple, whether you've never grown a banana or ganja, doesn't matter what it is. If two people that brought together by the power of the forces of kindness and love who haven't got the skills that necessary by whatever standards, are able to do something that is worthy, that can put us in the stead that, like the man say, to not just say, oh, I'm sorry that there's this terrible situation, or, oh, it's such a pity that there's people that are hungry and cold this winter, that we can then get our hands dirty, do something about it. And instead of waiting, we're not shaking a tin cup by asking, come to the fundraiser. It's an opportunity to directly connect with people. Number two, it's also a chance for someone to come out and connect with like-minded people. We have a wonderful opportunity to connect with the Mercy I&I, another opportunity that came born out of this, something we never would have thought of, that has merchandise and products and development and all sorts of other things that literally tie into from youth to the elders. But more important than that is what the I is saying is for us to talk about this together. We can't have these conversations or truversations, because then they are not going to be valuable. And that's why we even come to this podcast. Why Mercy I&I even... Why even somebody would think what would happen, so that we can have the talks with the people that matter, which is every single person, including the one that you look at when you look at the screen that looks back at you, which is you. So that we can then talk to the ones that know, the experts, where we don't have the expertise on what the nutritional value is of this, let them then come speak. If we are not too sure what the indigenous history, let's then get a king or a tribal chief outside of someone that we've seen or heard to come and speak. If we don't know about the medicine, what's the history behind this plant? Why is it such a big prejudice with the law? Let them come and speak. And what I say is that the mercy that we've received is for I. So we'll be together. And then we can share those talks with everyone else. Everyone can talk with us.
En soos die Mercy I brand wat ons gestig het, is basies sodat as ons merchandise verkoop, soos byvoorbeeld iemand het nou 'n Mercy I t-shirt aan, dan moet jy ook weet, jy moet gerus voel in jou hart dat ek as mens gee ek lees iets van my vir die wat niks het nie. Van met die produkte wat Mercy en I gaan voortbring, gaan ons dit ook gebruik, geld, meestal van die geld wil ons gebruik sodat ons ander mense kan help. My Lord, I ons het sê een en elk het die hulp nodig.
Yes.
En ek sê sommer nou die hulp wat ek wat ander mense wil set my lord. En mense is geneig om te dink so nee, die mense gaan nou daai gebruik. Ek sê dit sommer nou straight hier op die ding. Die mense gaan nou daai geld gebruik vir die en daai wil eie die kan jy daai
is ja.
honorables.
Mense dink so ja.
Honorables. Ek lieg vir julle nie. Ons dink altyd, nee, ons het geld nodig. Jo, ek het regtig gedink, ek het op self gedink, nee man, het geld nodig om ek lees iets te begin en dit te begin en wat die Lord vir my gewys het. Al wat ons net nodig is net mekaar se wilskrag eie en ei. As hy wil, nee, dis haar weg.
Yeah, so as they will, if you want to, the 26th of April, that means that will be the best time to come and not only see and hear and feel and then also get a chance to connect with us and others who are trying to make this more than just something that we talk about, but it's also the first of where we can have our fundraising, whether it's funds that you donate or you're donating non-perishables or blankets or something. Even if you're not in the Malmesbury Swartland area, we've at least got some donation spots that you can go to that will help, that will, for that time up until the 1st of June, from the 26th till the 1st of June, we'll be able to make a difference in people's lives.
Of April is not just a regular date anymore. It will be a day where we stand together, united friend, family, committed friend, and even community worker to try and feed the people this winter.
And like I say, it's not about one, it's about one and one. All of us are one.
Ja, ons even ek sê ook even ek soos dankie vir die mense even wat uit te kom met soos Nes wat dit vir ons moontlik maak sodat ons op 'n platform kan kom waar ons praat oor hoe ons voel, wat moet nog gebeur, hoe lyk die planne vir die toekoms. Laat ek dit so stel, wat is, wat was en wat moet nog kom.
Net so.
So kry vir ons die 26 April by Canterbury Butter. Ek sê vir jou nou, die man, hy deel wel lief daar uit, van nie daar.
En die man het musiek wat jou heeltemal alles laat skud.
But you get the quotables, the things that people think nobody's gonna hear them say because they're actually saying what they think. That's what you want. That's when you can get that rawness, because you can tie yourself to people's dreams and visions much more. Because I'm like, oh, that's you. When you're not performing, it's like, oh, now the camera's on. But when you don't know, then it's like, okay, now I can see the real you, and I can be like, all right, I can fuck with that, because you and me are the same. You also make mistakes, just like me, but you have the same tenacity to want to do something about it, you know, and to be like, I want to try again. If the first don't succeed, you know. But when the camera's on, sometimes people want to perform too much, because that's what we see everywhere. Everything's a performance. So, if we can catch that kind of stuff, then let's do it, man. I mean, what's best is to give somebody the experience, like they are there too. They traveling with us. They must also feel like that guy that almost knocked into.
United we stand and divided we fall. Stand tall for my family, dog. Talk nice, don't put me all. Uno ace with the one in control. My fam, they pray for me, spray for me, don't play with me. Family tree on God's speed, God got me, no man compete. United we stand and divided we fall. Any form of storm, through it all, keeping calm.